Hey guys, it's me, Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video, and the wig that I have in this video does come from WigEncounters. You guys have seen WigEncounters on our channel plenty times before. As you guys can tell, I am a true fan of their units. I am a fangirl. But the unit that I have today is their Indian Remy Kinky Curly 3C for a U-part wig, and this is what the unit looks like before I do anything to it. You do see that it has two little clips, two combs, and adjustable straps. You guys can see the cap construction, and also you're able to get like that deep middle part. The wig that I have is in the middle part position. They also have side part positions, so be sure to check out their website. Now, once again, this is their Kinky Curly 3C for a U-part wig. Mine is 20 inches long, 150% density, and this is Indian Remy hair. It's also in that natural color black that really worked super well with my hair color because my hair is jet black. So yeah, so right now I'm just co-washing the hair as I usually do. You can also shampoo the hair if you choose to. I just decided to co-wash it because it looked really good out the pack, so why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay, so it's been a few days and my hair is completely dried, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the little elastic bands in the middle of the U part because you don't need it. Now, I have seen some people leave them on. You can indeed leave it on, but to me it just kind of seems like you're complicating the situation. So yeah, just go ahead and remove that, make your life a whole lot easier. So here is my braids. I just have cornrows, and where I wanted my part to be, I just decided to kind of halfway cornrow those back. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my stocking cap just so that we're protecting the rest of our hair, and then get the wig on. I did use the clips. However, if you really want to protect your hair, you can definitely use bobby pins, but for added security, I would definitely recommend using the clips, using the combs. Just take some safe precaution when it comes to removing the wig, so that way you're not stressing your hair, you're not ripping your hair out or anything like that. So this is what the wig looks like, and I haven't even done much of anything to it. It's looking nice and full and juicy. I'm loving it. So right now I'm just going to unravel my braids, and we're going to attempt to blend my hair in with the unit. So I'll see you guys once I'm done with that. Okay, so if you guys ever had an issue with your roots being puffy, I definitely want to recommend this tip. Get you some edge control and slick it right over wherever your part is, to where you can kind of see like the puffy, you know, roots and everything like that, and it really lays it down and it makes it look super sleek. Girl, I've been doing this for a little bit now, and I love this little method. But yeah, add you some edge control to your roots, and take like a little edge brush and just kind of slick them down, and it will look super nice and slick and sleek and shiny. And yeah, so yeah, do that. So right now I'm just gonna go in and lay my edges as usual. I am using a little bit of my wet line gel in order to do that, just so that we kind of have more of a uniform and polished look. And so this is what the unit looks like. I'm going to fluff it out. You know, I want this hair to grow and look big and huge, but be very careful when doing this, because this hair definitely grows huge. So yeah, you guys can see the before and after. I'm liking the full hair. I'm loving it. So yeah, this is what this unit is looking like, and you can kind of see where my hair, you know, sort of blends in with the unit, because my hair, for some reason, I don't know, it's just super shiny. You know, I have the melanin products to blame for that, because it just really adds a really nice luster to my hair. So yeah, you can kind of see that my hair isn't completely camouflaged in with the wig. However, it'll do. But I'm gonna give you guys just a couple little styling options, not anything too crazy or anything like that, just to kind of jazz up your look for whatever occasion you choose to wear the unit. But I just went ahead and pulled out my hair in the front, kind of have like a little wispies coming down in the front. It's kind of youthful. I think it's kind of cute. So yeah, but you guys definitely check out WigEncounters. Also, if you want to save a little extra cash off of your purchase, definitely use promo code TWINS to save an additional 25% off of your purchase. You guys, let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. I'm liking it. I really like it a whole lot, because, you know, I don't know, it looks like my hair. If, you know, if I really had some really nice definition, I have the patience to do my natural hair, definitely. But yes, once again, check out WigEncounters and let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.